Hello everyone, welcome to next episode of Screener Screenshots. Recently we have implemented a new feature where we have started showing the bifurcation of the fixed assets. And Aisa, could you throw us light on how do you interpret these numbers personally?
Hi, Kaushik. So, like you mentioned, that very often what happens is that when we are analyzing the balance sheet, earlier we used to get this brief snapshot wherein we could see the fixed asset, we could see the CWIP, and then the other line items of the balance sheet. Now, if somebody clicks on the expand item, now you will get a detailed breakup of what comprises of this fixed asset. So basically, it makes it's useful for me personally to see that out of 426 crore, a large part of this has been invested into plant and machinery for this company. Some amount has gone into building, some amount into land, but a substantial part of the gross block is going into plant and machinery. Also, over here, the value used to be the net value, while when you click on the expand, you get the gross value. So 485 crore is like the plant and machinery, but this is the total accumulated depreciation. So this also gives a sense as to what is the real absolute amount of quantum that went into fixed assets for this kind of sales and profitability to happen. Other useful feature for this expansion is that in many of the cases we get to see that like in Garwari High Tech, I noticed that in the balance sheet, if you see that the fixed asset is a very large number, that it has grown from 600 crore to 1300 crore. So you always are curious to see where this money has gone. Once you click on it, you'll realize that a large part has increased due to increase in land value from 300 crore to 1000 crore. So this is perhaps a revaluation which has been done by the company. So there hasn't been a significant investment into plant and machinery, while from the face of balance sheet, we might be thinking that a large expansion has been done. Similarly, there's another company, Sharda Cropchem. So in this, one sees that there's a large fixed asset which has been increasing consistently. But once I click on it, I get to see that a large part is into intangible assets. So I get a different perspective each time when I click on the expand option and I see what comprises of the fixed asset. And that's a quick way to start searching where you should be searching.